Hey all, in my last shot, I have asked how can we delete the duplicates, right? But here's the thing, we can't delete the duplicates directly from a column. Okay, if we use delete, the whole row gets deleted here. So what we can do is we can replace these duplicates with null. And if you want to delete if you want to know how we can delete the rows, I'll cover that in the another video. Okay, but for now, let's get into this. So before data cleaning, you have to ask yourselves that should this column be unique? Like example, if I take name column, salary column, these duplicates are fine because two people can have same name, two people can have same salary. But coming to email, this column should be unique because two people cannot have same email. So it should be unique. So here the duplicates are problem. So to solve this, let's write the query. So firstly, I'll use update. What I'm going to update that is employees. Next, I'll write set which column email equals to what I'm setting null. Next is I'm taking where condition here where email in. Now let me open bracket. Now close the bracket and give this whole result as a t, that is temporary result. And again in this column I'll write my inner query, that is select email. Next from, sorry, next one is from. So here also I'll open the bracket here and again I'll write a subquery in this, that is select what, just a second, I'll just next select email. Now I'll use row number here. So let's understand this line here. Where email in, so what does this in is it checks the if the email exists in the list coming from the subquery or not. So only those rows will be updated. So next is now select email. I am taking email column. Now row number identifies the duplicates. Over, what does this over does, it tells SQL that how to apply row number. Now how we are going to apply this row number, that is partition by email. Now what does partition by email makes, it groups the same emails. Next, order by email. Now what it does, it arranges rows inside each group. Now here see row number assigns numbers like 1, 2, 3. In this way it assigns. Suppose for example for a@gmail.com, rn is equals to 1 comma 2. For others rn is equals to 1. So for this 1 comma 2 and for others it is 1 1. Now next is I'll write one more condition here, that is where rn. What does rn means, it's a alias of a row number only. So rn, if it is greater than 1, it means if it is equals to 1, it is a first original one. If it is greater than 1, obviously it will be a duplicate. So I'll write a semicolon here so that my query is finished. Actually there is one mistake here. If you can identify, it's very well done. If not, I'll explain, you'll get to know in the at, at the end of this video. Let's run and see this. So it's been if you can see, the employees has been updated. So let me show you what's the mistake we have done here. Select from employees. So now you'll get what's wrong here. See, this is the wrong thing that we have done here is the original one also got null and also the duplicate one also got null. Why it got null? Because so What's the problem in this query is we used email in the where condition. If you can see, I have used email in this. So what happens if duplicate email is a@gmail.com, and the subquery also returns the a@gmail.com here, as we have all as we have took email only here. So what does it, this in checks, it checks where email a@gmail.com. Now but both this one and this one both gets the same email. So see here, in checks where email id is a@gmail.com. So where is a, where was it before? A, at the employee id 1, and also at employee id 4 there was a@gmail.com. So what does in things now, both rows match the condition, so now they both get updated to null. So SQL cannot differentiate between original and duplicate. Email is not unique, so both rows are treated as the same one. That's why even the correct row also has become the null. So just remember, every time we should never use the duplicate column in where condition when we are doing update. So always use a unique column. Like if you use here employee id, firstly let me update this. So we have to use always the unique column when there is the where condition and we are updating it. So here also we have to use the employee id column only. See here, don't keep email id here because we are partitioning, we are grouping which are same email. So we should not take here employee id, it should, here we can take employee id. Let me run this query and show you how this has been updated now. So this is my table, right? So let me just run this and show you how these duplicates have been updated now to the null. So let's see, let's run this query. Let me show you my table again. See here, the first original one, it's the same one, but the duplicate one have got it updated to the null. So in this way we can update the duplicates in the column wise. Now in the next video we're gonna look for how we can delete the duplicates as a row wise. So this is a column wise. Now in the next video we're gonna look for row wise. If you have any doubts or didn't understood any step, you can just comment down in the comment section. Do like, share and comments.